Oh my God, it smells delicious.
Easy, delicious meal. This is a 1-pan, 1-bowl meal. Chop up some pancetta, put it in a pan with some olive oil. You could use probably Canadian bacon if that's all you have on hand. It smells good. And who has some white potatoes? I do. My kids are a little burnt on pasta right now, but the potato thing is really happening. How about some rosemary from the kitchen garden? I always like to cook from my garden. And you're just going to put the rosemary, the potatoes, garlic. I'm trying to get it out of a little grinder thing there. Kind of got stuck. Some black pepper, and drizzle olive oil all over it, and you're going to massage it in there. And this is such easy cleanup because now all I have to do is clean up one sheet pan. I thought, when I serve this, I'll have to have some roasted cauliflower or something else on the side. No, it was such a crowd pleaser. Look at that. And it smells delicious. The kids loved it.
Oh my God, it smells delicious.